TNGTE English Junior February 2020. 5 seconds. Comments. Sir, I support the Cooperative Societies Bill that has been brought forward by the Honorable Minister. At the same time, I want to make some remarks in order to improve the working of the cooperative societies. I am sure it will be agreed that the cooperative movement has spread rapidly in the last 10 years. There is no doubt about it. This bill has come at the right time. I have been a member of cooperative societies and also a director. I found that there were many gaps in the Cooperative Societies Act. Some gaps have been filled up now, but the point that has to be considered is whether the expansion has brought the benefits which were desired. My own opinion is that in a welfare state, it is the cooperative societies that can play a very important part. They alone will be able to raise the standard of living of the people in the rural areas. As I said, I was connected with some of the cooperative societies here. They have been doing very well. I have also been connected with some other cooperative societies which have not been doing very well. In a welfare state like ours, where the majority of the people are poor, this is the only way in which they can be uplifted. It has been pointed out that the aim of the government is to have a credit cooperative society in every village. It is a very good idea. Those who have money can put it as deposits and get interest. All the other people stand guarantee for the money. So, the money is not at all lost, and the other people are also benefited to a great extent. In my view, we must start more and more credit cooperative societies in villages, which will help people very much. That is the way in which we can pool our resources together and raise the standard of living of our people. I now come to employees cooperative credit societies. They have done good work. I was connected with a teachers cooperative credit society which saved the teachers from the money lenders. In the case of employees cooperative societies, I do not think there are many defaulters. Last year, when a clause was inserted in the Act, I was one of those who opposed it. But now I find that it is a healthy provision. Letter from Narayanan and Company, Chennai, to Messrs. Narasimhan and Sons, Chennai. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 6th instant and we thank you for it. We are glad to know that you are interested in equipping your office with modern machines. We are confident that we will be able to supply most of the machines that you require for this purpose. We are in a position to supply the latest model typewriters, duplicators, etc. We are prepared to offer you some concession in prices, and we hope that it will be possible for us to meet your requirements in this regard. So far as the details are concerned, we assure you that we are willing to send our representative to meet you and discuss the matter with you. We have no doubt that he will give you the information you may require. On hearing from you, we shall send our representative. Yours faithfully.